Hello, welcome to Pipefy, the process management platform. In this video, I will explain how to create email automations with email templates. This way, you save time and create a standardized communication flow with your customers, suppliers, leads, and much more. But if you want to learn more about email templates first, I recommend you that you watch the tutorial video about email templates. To create an automation with an email template, you need to go to the automation page. This is the main Pipefy page, and the automations page is located right here. Just click on the robot button and you will access it. Here we can see all the automations that we created before and create new automations. To create a new automation, just click here on the blue button. On the left side, we find all the events that can trigger emails. And on the right side, all the actions that we can perform. So for email automations, we will always choose send an email, but we can choose different events to trigger this automation. For example, when a card is created, when a card enters a phase, when a card leaves a phase, when a field is updated, when all connected cards are moved to a phase. Recurring activity is the only event that won't work with email automations when an alert is triggered and when an email is received. For this example, we will create an email automation for the recruitment process. The idea here is that when the recruiter moves a card with the candidate's name to the interview phase in the pipe, the candidate will receive a personalized email with all the information to attend the interview. With that in mind, the event that we will choose is when a card enters a phase. Now we just need to select the pipe that we want to create this automation for, which is recruitment, the phase, which is interview, and of course the action, which is send an email. Here we can choose an email template that we created before or create a new one from scratch. Right here is the list of email templates that we have already, and if you click on the Manage button, you will be able to create a new email template. But for this example, I already have an email template done, which is this one, Recruitment, approved for interview. Here you can check all the information related to this email template. As you can see, we have a lot of dynamic fields right here on email, addresses, name, subject, and of course on the message body of this email. If you want to learn more about how to build an email template, just watch the tutorial video about email templates. I will choose the email template, Recruitment approved for interview. And right here I have an email preview of this template. And if it's everything okay, I just need to click on Create Automation and name this automation. Okay, now let's go to the pipe to see how this automation actually works. Okay, the first step is to choose the pipe, which is recruitment. Here is the phase that we set the automation for. When a card enters this phase, the email template automation will trigger. And here we have a card that we can use as an example. So let's fill out. Okay, once the information is here, we can move the card to the next phase, interview, and it's done. The email template has already been sent to this candidate. Of course, this is just one of the many examples that we can apply. There are other events that can trigger the automatic sending of emails. For example, when a card is created, when a field is updated, when an alert is triggered, and much more. But let's see how the candidate received the email that we just sent. Here it is. We can see the email right here. Let's open. As we can see, we can check all the information that was in the email template. If you still have questions about email templates and automations, you can always open the help sidebar located right here. Contextualized content will open according to the page that you are seeing on Pipefy. And if you prefer, you can also talk with our support team. Just click on this icon right here and open a chat to talk to a person. Okay, that's all I have to share with you about email template automations today. See you next time.